Good morning and welcome to Morning Conversations with me, Mika, and today I'll be filming 2 episodes dahil hindi ako nakapag-film over the weekend because I had colds. Nakakaloka kasi ngayon pa lang talaga nagkikeep up ang aking katawan. Pasensya na po. But grateful for the rest. So nakapagpahinga naman ako and hopefully today maka-fully recover na ako kasi maraming nangyayari sa ating buhay. Anyway, for today's episode, I wrote here na I am finally getting back on track cause ano pa ginawa namin? Nag-run kami in UP Diliman. So, happy ako doon. Tapos, na-catch namin yung sunrise and sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng sunrise as in, para siyang ibang mundo. Ang ganda. Tapos minsan napapaisip ako na grabe, kung ganun kaganda yung ginagawa ni Lord, paano pa tayong mga tao, di ba? Na talagang ginawa niya para alagaan, di ba? Ayun lang. Tapos, part of getting back on my routine is also taking care of myself. Aside from running, bumalik na din ako sa aking mga pagpapaganda. So, parang whole day ako na nasa Belo nung nakaraan. And sobrang happy ko dahil Belo is my time for myself, as in, kahit ang medyo pricey siya for me, pero talaga ine-investan ko siya kasi doon lang ako talagang may excuse not to hold my phone, not to think about anything, at yung pain lang. Yung pain lang. Kaya grabe, sobrang dami kung ano-ano sa muka. So, 4 months din ako di nakabalik kasi sobrang na-busy. But I'm grateful, really, really grateful. Especially sa mga people sa Belo dahil supposedly expired na yung aking mga yung aking mga treatments na binili. But they were so kind enough to extend it for me. So, ayun. Grateful for that. Ano ba? Oh, meron ako nilagay dito. Sorry, binabasa ko kasi yung aking journal. Meron ako nilagay dito na one of my achievements, pero hindi ko muna siya i-share. Pero I achieved something na grabe, never ko na imagine na ma-achieve ko siya this year. Although it's in my faith goals, pero hindi ko in-expect na agad-agad makukuha ko siya or ma-achieve ko siya. So, nilagay ko na it felt great and fulfilling. Ano pa nilagay ko? Nilagay ko dito na I'm praying na wala na din akong sakit at di na rin magkakasakit. Not just me, but my whole family. Tapos ilagay ko dito na lahat ng to ay babalik ng 10x. Yes! I'm really claiming it. Parang sa panahon ngayon talaga kailangan mo na mag-thank you kahit hindi pa siya nangyayari. Actually, parang ginagawa ko to lessen my anxiety. And this is also my way of fully surrendering and trusting God by saying thank you in advance for all the blessings. Tapos nag-set din ako na intention for the week, which is to rest so I can continuously show up for myself and my family. Sinulat ko dito yung routine ko, which is, nagawa ko naman siya today. I woke up really early and nag-meditate ako and read ng Bible. Then, nag-nap ako. Hindi ko pala matatawag yun na nap. Then, nag-nap ako. Then, nag-journal na ako. Tapos, ayoko din biglain yung sarili ko sa mga movement. Kasi nafe-feel ko pa din na medyo may sipon pa din ako. Na-feel ko pa din yung joints ko. So, ayun. I'm just really grateful na I am still here, that I woke up today. Ayun lang naman. I hope today you will choose to live and continuously show up for yourself because you'll never know when will the opportunity will come. Yun talaga siya parang you just have to continuously show up kasi you'll never know talaga. Paulit-ulit. But yeah, emphasize ko lang na hindi mo talaga alam what showing up will do for you, as in. And yun na rin yung naging panata ko sa sarili ko to really show up every day. Not just for myself, but for other people too. Ayun lang. Bye!